this computer, Alt-Tab to your window. Okay. Hi, it's Dr. Robinson. I'm here with Amy today, and she is going to show you how to take a document that actually has drawings in it and make it accessible. So Amy, why don't we go ahead and go to File Explorer, open the Word document, and you're going to show how JAWS reads it or doesn't read all the information.
Items view multi. D select list box. Frequent folders expanded. D downloads. D document enter. Documents. C Gen 301. C Chinese. C Com 101. C Com 111. Enter. Com 111. Items view multi.
One.
S dot docs 1 of 3. Enter.
Yeah, oops.
Opening dash word. Opening dash word.
Always force him to talk when he doesn't want to say anything. Insert T, insert tab. Find out your information.
No, nothing talks.
Title is S dot docs dash word. Print view. S dot docs dash word. Edit.
Great.
F12. Save as dialog. File name colon edit combo.
Actually, before you save it, hit escape and actually show how the inserted text boxes and drawings are not reading.
Graphic auto shape 6. Graphic text box 5. Misspelled. First name. Misspelled. Last name. Assistant Professor Mattingly. Graphic auto shape 7. Com 111 dash section. Month, day, year. Blank. Graphic text box 3.
Let me
Informative
go
speech.
ahead and explain to the audience what's occurring. So the words that are in red in the middle of the screen that the screen reader is just bypassing is because those are drawn in with text boxes and they're nesting. They're called nesting boxes. And so screen readers have an incredibly difficult time accessing them, if not. Well, anyway, Amy's going to show you now how to make everything read on this page. Okay, Amy, go ahead and show us how you're going to make everything on this page read.
Save as dialog. File name. Save as type colon combo box. Word document left parent star PDF left parent star dot PDF. Save as search com 111. Organize new folder name date modified type quick access. Cancel button. Yes button to activate. S dot docs dash word. Save as dialog. Save as type colon combo box. PDF left parent star dot PDF right parent 7 of 17. To change the selection use the arrow keys. Untitled dash Google Chrome. Blank. Fit to page button to activate. Press enter 100. S dot PDF 0.
It did not open in Adobe.
No link. S dot PDF edit 1.
Yeah, it didn't.
So what we discovered is, because it is connected to her college, is we did save it. And so we you could tab around, but the JAWS really had a difficult time with this window. But it is saved in her File Explorer. So what we discovered is just to close this, go back to her File Explorer and open it using
Alt F4, S dot docs dash word, edit.
And go ahead and close your Word also.
Com 111, S dot docs dash word, edit, Alt F4. Search Com 111, items view multi-select, S dot PDF, 2 of 3, enter.
Yeah, because it does save for you.
Edit, type in text.
Perfect. Okay.
Page has 1 link, S dot PDF, last name 1, first name, last name 1, first name, last name, 4 graphic. The specific purpose for the informative speech should always begin with left quote to inform my audience. Left parent and finish the sentence right parent.
Excellent. Okay.
Graphic.
Yeah. So I'll just tell everybody. So everything reads now. All the words, all the directions on what the student is supposed to do, and everything. So that is how you make. If you know the teacher has told you there are directions in this document to show you how to do an MLA or an APA paper, and you're not hearing it, you're just going to save it as a PDF, open it in PDF Reader, and it will read to you. Thank you, Amy.
No problem. Thank you.